get that goal. 5 minutes left to play here in Djibouti. There's the delivery at the far post. There's no one there. It's headed away by a Zimbabwean player. Oh, they've stolen it. This is dangerous. Zimbabwe pushing forward. It's 3 against 1. There's a bit of a block going on. There's the shot. Oh, he saved it. Ahmed comes to the rescue. But it's not over yet. But the players are coming back in numbers. The cavalry has arrived. And now they're... Oh, the ball's been so poked back for the goalkeeper, Ahmed. Well. I think that maybe slightly too selfish there. That should have been a pass out wide. But they didn't move very well when they were going up. And I think that there was a bit of a block, so maybe it was the right decision to go for the shot. But I think the goalkeeper did a great job in just blocking and just covering a large area just around it. And at the other end, Somalia with the cross here. There's the header. Oh, I don't believe it. Somalia have found the back of the net. That is quite incredible. But the ball's come out of the net, but they found the back of the net, and it all happened so quickly. A remarkable turnaround. Only moments after Zimbabwe looked as though they'd actually going on to score. Somalia find that goal. And it's a header that finds the back of the net, beating the goalkeeper, Chipazizi. An incredible scenario here. And the home side, if you like to say, here in Djibouti, have taken the lead.